beautiful view we have on our walk. Fuengirola, Torreblanca, Los Fleches, the aerials. We're really enjoying the view, the mountains. You might just hear a stupid dog. There he is. He's found something in the bush, obviously. Scamp, might you have a take in the view?